Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Google VEO 3 for free using a completely legal method. Step 1. Visit the official website for Google VEO and then click on the Join Waitlist or Request Early Access. Step 2. Fill out the form with your Google account email, your industry or use case, and optionally link a project or portfolio that shows your work with video, AI, or creative tools. Step 3. Google selects participants based on the relevance and demand, so try to explain how you plan to use VO3 in a clear and specific way. Step 4. Once accepted, you will get an invite via your email with free access to the platform under the Early Access or Beta program. Step 5. Inside the platform, you can start using its AI video generation features and export for personal or commercial projects, depending on your license. Step 6. If you are a developer or researcher, you can also apply for the Google Cloud Partnership Program to test more advanced AI tools for free. So this is the safest and most official way to access Google VO3 without breaking any terms. But if VO3 is already available for you, you can subscribe and access their platform. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.